Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify with AliExpress. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform, empowering millions of entrepreneurs to build their online stores. AliExpress, on the other hand, is a massive online marketplace offering a vast array of products from suppliers worldwide. By combining these two platforms, you can create a dropshipping business, selling products directly to customers without needing to manage any inventory yourself. It's a fantastic way to start an online venture with minimal upfront investment. Once you're ready to begin, your first step is to set up your Shopify store. This involves creating an account and selecting one of their flexible subscription plans, which typically start around $29 per month. Next, choose a visually appealing theme that resonates with your brand and product niche. Take your time to customize the design, add your logo, and create important pages like About Us and Contact. This foundation is crucial for a professional online presence. Now, let's integrate AliExpress with your Shopify store. The easiest way is to install a dropshipping app, such as DSers, from the Shopify App Store. These apps typically have a free plan or a trial period. Once installed, connect it to your AliExpress account. You can then browse AliExpress and import thousands of products directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. Remember to refine product descriptions and images to make them unique and appealing to your customers. Finally, let's talk about managing orders and growing your business. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you'll process it through your dropshipping app. The app then automatically forwards the order details to the AliExpress supplier, who ships the product directly to your customer. Your role involves tracking shipments and providing excellent customer service. By focusing on effective marketing, building customer trust, and continuously optimizing your product offerings, you can successfully scale your dropshipping venture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.